Here at Optimal Blue, we have a very disciplined practice on how we treat our product management and roadmap sculpting processes. We try and strike that delicate balance between delivering innovation while maintaining our accuracy, reliability, and scalability that customers have come to rely on us for. Optimal Blue has undergone a significant philosophical change. We no longer say no to any client need, be it for any of our product lines that is strategic in nature or necessary for how they run their business. Now it's just a matter of when. Our product team will always sit down, listen to your needs, and ensure that we understand how we can deliver them and in what timeline we're able to deliver them. In order to do that, we need to make sure that we keep a very open mind and ears and eyes to everything that our customers are currently leveraging, things that they may need in the future, and predicting things that they may not even know that they need. As we do that, we work closely with our client-facing organizations to make sure that we are consistently listening to the voice of the customer. We take our own industry expertise and deep knowledge of our product lines and craft our rolling 4-quarter roadmap that we now publish externally to all customers.
So when we're thinking about our roadmap priorities, we really start with the voice of the customer. So we collect feedback from customers directly, from many of our customer-facing folks within the organization, and compile that information to create a really comprehensive understanding of what our clients' needs are. And we also collaborate with our partners in the technical part of the organization to understand what technical opportunities there are out there. And our roadmap is really a cross between what we're hearing from the customer, what they're looking for, and also how do we build technology that helps us get there. A lot of times we'll get customers asking questions like, hey, could you build this for me? Or I might need some different capabilities versus what you have today in this area. And our philosophy is we don't say no. We just talk about when. And the important piece here is we publish a roadmap out 12 months so we can see exactly what we're going to be working on over the next 4 quarters. And we want to have that conversation with customers and say, hey, this is what we're building for you.
At Optimal Blue, we are very proud of our engineering process. The way we build products, the way we service our customers, the way we meet their demands is a very integral partnership between our product organization and our development organization, where everything funnels through our product. They get prioritized into a very large, deep roadmap that our technology organization executes every day. Most of our applications, we release new features every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, the features go through a rigorous process of product ideation, product requirements, development, testing, regression testing, and they get delivered.
The partnership with our customers and the understanding of the customizations needed to run your business is of paramount importance to us. We always want to make sure that our customers understand and feel the commitment that we have in ensuring that we continue to build and deliver software that meets their everyday needs.